Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's latest marvel in compact computing, the Mac Mini M4, freshly launched in 2024. In this video, we'll explore every detail from design and build to performance and compatibility within Apple's ecosystem. Apple's Mac Mini M4 maintains its minimalist aesthetic, showcasing Apple's dedication to sleek, timeless designs that look great in any setting. But don't let the small size fool you. Apple has engineered this device to balance style with substance. Its refined aluminum unibody doesn't just offer a premium feel, it also makes it incredibly durable and reliable, capable of fitting seamlessly into workspaces, home offices, and creative studios alike. The aluminum casing is carefully designed not only for aesthetics, but to enhance cooling, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The durable build quality ensures this model will endure intensive use. Whether it's a busy workday of editing or a long session of rendering high-definition graphics, Apple has brought in substantial improvements to the CPU, GPU, and overall architecture, making this one of the fastest processors in its segment. The M4 chip is designed to provide high efficiency and raw power, particularly benefiting users in creative fields like 3D modeling, video production, and software development, where resource-intensive applications demand exceptional performance. Apple has tightly integrated macOS with the M4 chip, providing an unmatched user experience. This combination enables optimized system responsiveness and supports a wide range of applications right out of the box, from Final Cut Pro to Logic Pro and Photoshop. These are made faster and more fluid, thanks to the chip's compatibility with Metal 3, Apple's high-performance graphics framework. The Mac Mini M4 takes connectivity seriously, catering to modern and legacy hardware users alike. It includes two Thunderbolt 4 ports that provide ultra-high-speed data transfer, making it ideal for users working with external storage, complex projects, or even high-resolution monitors. This advanced thermal system allows the Mac Mini M4 to operate at its peak efficiency, even when handling intensive workloads. The design prevents throttling, so your machine can keep up with extended rendering tasks, gaming sessions, or any heavy-duty applications you throw at it. Apple's commitment to privacy is also reflected in the system's user interface, allowing you to control data sharing across devices and applications. With continuous software improvements, the Mac Mini M4 stays at the forefront of security and privacy, making it a safe choice for professionals and everyday users alike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates on the latest Apple products.